If you're caring for someone who's struggling to get enough nutrition, then breakfast is a great time to boost the diet, especially if someone's appetite is reduced. Today we're making a simple fortified porridge. There's lots of different powders on the market. Here we're using an AYMES Shake powder. Okay, so let's make our porridge. So I'm going to take my porridge oats and pop it into my pan. Add our milk. Give it a bit of a stir. And then the only different thing we're doing here is we're going to add our AYMES Shake powder supplement. Pop that in. And then mix it well. You can add as much or as little milk as you want, depending on how thick or how thin you like your oats. So as you can see, we're just busy warming our porridge on the stove top now. You can also pop it into the microwave if you want for about 2.5 minutes. Keep stirring and just make sure that it doesn't boil. Now that the porridge is cooked, we're going to serve it up warm. We can pop it into our bowl. Now we can add some toppings to our porridge. Fresh fruit works really well, and today I'm using banana and strawberry. Pop that on top of the porridge. Even something like tinned peaches could work really well. And then, if you want a bit of extra sweetness, you can add something like honey or jam. So I'm going to add a little bit of honey to mine. There we go, a lovely bowl of porridge. If you prefer a plant-based option, you can follow the same steps using a plant-based milk and a smoothie-style supplement like AYMES ActaSolve. It's great when we can get all the nutrition we need from our regular diet, but sometimes this can be really difficult, particularly if our appetite is reduced and we're struggling to eat the normal quantities of food. This is where something like a supplement can be really useful, and as you've seen, it can be quite easy to incorporate it into something that you would usually eat on a daily basis. So we've taken a bowl of porridge and provided you with extra calories and protein and good nutrition to really help you on those days when oral intake may be challenging. I hope this video was useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on living well at home.